Hey guys, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. Today I'm back with another fun Christmas tutorial for you to incorporate in your Christmas decor using items from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you how you can make these fun ornaments for your Christmas tree with virtually any saying that you'd like. And I'm going to show you two ways to do this, so we'll just get right into it. What you're going to need for this project are these canvas panels. They're 5 by 7. They come in a 2-pack at Dollar Tree. Also, you'll need the tumbling tower game. You'll need either some wood stain or this furniture scratch marker, a rotary cutter, a pick of your choice, some wired garland ties, some stamps, ink, a glue gun, and if you don't want to use stamps or ink, you can also use some pre-cut vinyl. So I'll show you both ways how to do this. And you'll also need some ribbon. Okay, to start you're going to cut this canvas panel, which is fairly thin. It's just canvas put on cardboard. You're going to cut it in half using your rotary cutter and a ruler. Okay, so once you have that cut nice and straight, what you're going to do is get the wood pieces and create a frame. You're going to need 8 pieces to go all around the half of the canvas panel, just like this. You can glue them together with a hot glue gun like I did, or you can go ahead and take a little more time and do it with wood glue, whichever your preference is. Once you have that done, it's going to look like this. Okay, so if you happen to have a cutting machine at home, you can cut these cute little decals with the software. Place it in the middle, and then you'll just iron that on. So if you have an easy press at home, you can use this, or you can use a regular iron. And what you're going to do is put it the easy press to 315 degrees for 5 seconds. And once that's ready to go, you're just going to put that on there, push the green button and hold it. It's really that quick on this canvas panel. And while it's still warm, you're going to go ahead and just remove that. And that's what you're going to have. Wasn't that simple? I mean, that really just took literally 5 seconds. If you don't have a cutting machine or an easy press, all you have to do is go to the local craft store and find some alphabet stamps. These I found some time ago on clearance, and this stamp pad I found at Dollar Tree. So what we'll do for this one, I'm going to go ahead and put this here for now, just for placement, and I want to just center the stamp to kind of get an idea of where it's going to go. So you can start with your M. There you have Mary. And what we're going to do now is go ahead and get the cherry furniture scratch marker. And basically all you're going to do is paint the wood with the marker. All we need to do now is just to glue the back of the frame and place it on the canvas, and we'll be done with this part. Next, we're going to go ahead and get one of the garland ties from the Dollar Tree. We're going to cut it in half, and you're going to get 2 pieces. And what next we're going to do is create a small little wreath out of each one. Then we're going to add that little wreath to the top of our frame. There we go. Next, you're going to get your favorite floral pick. I like the berries just to add a little red to it. And I'm going to just cut a small cluster off of here and add it to the middle of that wreath. And next, what we're going to do is just get a small length of your ribbon. Probably about that much would be fine. And just cut that. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and glue the back to the center here. And kind of make a loop. And yeah, that. And that's it. Super simple Christmas ornaments that you can customize with any name or any Christmas saying that you'd like using your cutting machine and an iron-on, and also a simple way to do it. If you don't have either, you can just use stamps. So that's pretty much it. I hope you like this project. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. I appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.